Ni wiki iria ikoretwo na ciuria nyingi kuma kuri atongoria matiganite icigo ngurani guku bururi-ini thutha wa President Uhuru Kenyatta kuruta watho mweru uria uhete minister wa ugitiri hinya muingi kuri maminista othe, na oho watho ucio ukonekana ta unyihitie mahinya ma munini wa President William Ruto.
This directive is meant to increase efficiency, speed of delivery, better utilization of public resources, and reduce wastage as well as gatekeeping in our country.
No riu munini wa President William Ruto ni oritie maafitha a thirikari ikiro-ini ciothe kurumirira watho uria urarutirwo ni President Uhuru Kenyatta magithondeka kamiti cia county, itaro, iria cia bururi-ini hamwe na kamiti cia maminista niguo gukinyaniria mibango na mitaratara ya thirikari na njira igwete. Oho akiaria riria acemanirie na atongoria a kanitha wa PEFA, Ruto ni oritie kanitha na Kenya manyitanire kuhurana na ungumania na njira ciothe iria ciho.
We are asking you as our spiritual leaders to partner with the government, with civil society, with the private sector in ensuring that the stewardship of resources in Kenya is proper and we do not lose or waste resources to theft, corruption.
Nake mutongoria wa kanitha yo augite thayu na wira uria uronekana bururi-ini umanite na mutongoria wa bururi kunyitanira hamwe na munini wake na kuga ni meguthie na mbere kunyitanira na thirikari.
And we want to assure you, sir, of our prayers, our cooperation, and our undivided support.
Miario ya munini wa President William Ruto riu eregereirwo kunina wagagu wa utongoria na mahinya uria urambiriirio ni amwe a atongoria makiuga ni mahinya ma munini wa President maraninwo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Muitiriri wa Wangari.